Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am M. Surya Kumar Vishal. In this wonderful video, we are going to see a new thing which was used by 2 million plus peoples to make their own strategies. Of course, we are talking about the Sensibull. Sensibull is a web and application based thing which is usually used for the strategy building and the virtual portfolios, which means you can build your own strategies and you can track this in the current market. It is not used for third purpose only. Also, you can know more about the option chain, open interest, and other data also. But this thing is not free to all. Let me see the difference between free and premium version. Here you can see custom strategy builder. In pro version, you can customize your strategy, but in free version, you can only able to do the strategy which is owned by them and analyze the trades and position. If you are doing your custom strategy, you can analyze the P&L report from this. Of course, this is what the virtual portfolio and strategy wizards also. Easy options means the option chain would be easy for that. If you are connecting your broker to Sensibull, you can directly place your basket order on it. And this is what the trade option. Then analysis tools are advanced option chain, open interest charts, technical signals, stock data, FII and DIA data, IV charts, live option charts. Basically, analysis tools is used for the additional purpose. It will confirm your trade by doing the multiple check, and you can collect more data from Sensibull such as it. And also you can option screener, which means you can screen the option which option is the best. And like this basic option chain, this means the normal option chain which is used for the free version. Then option price calculator is calculating the options price, and these other features are common for both free and premium plans, which is a WhatsApp alert, event calendar, and watch list. This is the major difference between the free and pro plan. But the real fact about the free plan, it is not exactly free, which means if you are login with your Google ID, and it will give you the mini trial plan which is only available for the 4 days. This is what you are getting from your free plan. You can't do anything with it. But the real game changing thing about the pro is, if you're from Zerodha or if you're from Angel One, you can freely access those things. Like if you're not from this, you need to pay the 800 rupees per month. But if you are from Zerodha or the Angel One, it would be free for you. The real example is, I actually logged in with my Google ID and Angel One ID. The Angel One ID, it is showing that Sensibull is free for all Angel One users. But with my Google ID is showing like mini trial plan is activated to your account. So if you are from Angel or Zerodha, you can directly access the Sensibull, and also you can customize your strategy, track your portfolios. You can avail all the pro features in free by using these two brokers. If you don't have account on Zerodha and Angel, there is no matter on that. I'll give the both account opening link in my description. Kindly click it now. Open the account on Zerodha and Angel. You can freely access the Sensibull. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any doubts or queries, kindly leave it on the comment. Like and share this video. Subscribe to the channel.